Imagine one platform that connects every part of your business, from the warehouse floor to the top floor, and keeps it all running smoothly. No data silos, no copy paste chaos, just one live platform that keeps every department in sync. That's Axolt ERP. Whether you're a growing medical device startup, a mid market food manufacturer, or a global retail brand, Axolt gives you the speed, accuracy, and insight to scale with confidence. Let's take a 6-minute tour and see how Axolt transforms 5 critical areas of your business: logistics, manufacturing, finance, CPQ, and people management. Traditional pick lists slow you down and errors creep in. Axolt's logistics module flips the script with real time barcode and QR scanning. With Axolt, inventory isn't just managed, it's optimized, traceable, and always in sync with production, sales, and finance. Live 360-degree inventory dashboard. See on hand, allocated, and in transit stock across every warehouse. Color coded for low stock alerts. Smart replenishment. Automatic reorder point triggers raise purchase requisitions before you run short, factoring in lead times and safety stock. Cycle counting and ABC analysis. Schedule counts by value or velocity. Keep shrinkage near zero and stay audit ready all year long. FIFO, FIFO, and expiry tracking. Axolt allocates lots using first in, first out, or first expiry, first out rules to cut waste and ensure compliance. Multi-unit and knitting. Convert cases to eaches, assemble kits, or disassemble bundles with instant cost and quantity updates. Grab your handheld scanner, or just your phone. One beep and the system identifies the item, its batch or serial number, and its storage location instantly. Need to transfer inventory? Scan the origin, scan the destination, done. Stock levels update automatically, so planners always see accurate counts. For serialized medical devices or batch-managed food lots, Axolt enforces strict traceability. If you ever need to recall a lot, you know exactly where every unit went, no spreadsheets, no panic. And because the scanning app lives in iOS and Android, teams can operate hands-free on the warehouse floor or out in the field. Result: faster pickups, fewer returns, and better inventory accuracy. Axolt streamlines the entire manufacturing lifecycle into 3 laser-focused workspaces: Planner, Scheduler, and Builder. Planner gives you a live dashboard of every work order. Need to push up an urgent run of cardiac stents? Drag and drop. It recalculates material requirements in seconds. Scheduler automatically pulls in the product's latest BOM, routing, and version control. It balances workloads across your work centers, factoring in downtime and maintenance windows. No more Gantt chart guesswork. Capacity is optimized by the minute. Builder tracks each operation on the shop floor. Workers see digital work instructions, log quality checks, and capture serial or batch numbers as they go. If a torque spec fails or a vial's pH drifts, production halts until QA signs off. Smart stock allocation reserves raw materials the moment a job is released. A purchase requisition or order is auto-generated. When the job finishes, Axolt rolls labor, overhead, and material usage into a final cost you can trust. Whether you run discrete assembly lines for industrial pumps or continuous batches of nutraceutical powders, Axolt keeps production efficient, compliant, and audit-ready. Axolt's finance suite compresses what used to be a dozen disconnected apps into one clear flow. Invoice to cash. Create advanced, standard, or installment invoices in a click. Each invoice is auto-matched to its payment, so cash position reports are always live. Purchase requisitions and orders. Need sterile packaging? Raise a requisition, get approval, and Axolt converts it to a PO with terms, prices, and delivery dates locked in. Accounts payable? Drag and drop a vendor PDF, and OCR pulls in line items automatically. 3-way matching against the PO, and receipt slashes approval time. Budgets and projects. Track usage-based, cost-plus, or fixed budgets all in real time. Committed spend from POs and actuals from billing roll up to show remaining funds at a glance. Bank reconciliation. Live bank feeds via Yodlee auto-match transactions, highlighting discrepancies before month-end surprises. Need a quick mid-quarter snapshot? One click shows a balanced trial balance, up to the second cash flow, and a clean balance sheet, so you can make confident decisions on CapEx, hiring, or a new product launch. You can say goodbye to pricing spreadsheets and hello to lightning-fast, error-proof quotes. Add products from a price book or build complex configurations with guided selling. Rules enforce valid combinations, instantly updating pricing, taxes, and tiered discounts. For subscription or service plans, set duration and billing cadence, monthly, quarterly, annually, and Axolt prices it correctly every time. Generate a branded proposal in seconds and send it for e-signature directly from Axolt. Once the customer signs, the quote converts to an order. No rekeying, no lost data. The result? Fewer back and forth emails, faster deal cycles, and happier customers. Your reps hit quota sooner, and your finance team loves the clean, accurate data flowing straight into the ledger. Finally, let's empower your people. Axolt People Management automates every HR touchpoint. Recruiting. Publish a vacancy, capture applicants, track every stage, and auto-send offer letters once they're hired. Onboarding and offboarding. Checklist workflows issue laptops, grant system access, schedule training, or reclaim assets and revoke logins for departing staff, so nothing slips through the cracks. Leave and time tracking. Employees request vacation or log hours in 2 taps. Managers approve on screen, and balances update instantly. Goodbye spreadsheet guesswork. Performance reviews. Goals, feedback, and learning plans sit in one living timeline. Managers coach in real time instead of once a year, driving engagement and growth. All HR data is centralized and secure, giving you clean audits and happier teams. So you can focus on innovation, not paperwork. Logistics, manufacturing, finance, CPQ, people. 5 modules, 1 platform, 0 friction. Book your live demo today and experience how Axolt can power your next stage of growth, from small shop to global enterprise.